One of the joys of riding a motorcycle is you get to go to really great places out in the mountains, the deserts, and you can take some really great shots with your camera. And if you're fortunate enough to have a drone, you can get that drone up in the air and take some beautiful shots of where you've been. But the challenge comes with a drone and flying a drone is how do you do this when you're riding a motorcycle? Number one, you should never ride your motorcycle and fly a drone. It's dangerous, don't do it. But if you are gonna do it and you have a Mosko Moto NoMax tank bag, I'm gonna share with you how you can attach this drone remote controller to your bag and ride your motorcycle and control your drone safely. This bag, this Mosko Moto NoMax tank bag, was designed, I think, with the drone pilot in mind. So stay tuned and I'll show you how to do it. So after struggling for months of how to attach the remote control to my NoMax tank bag, let me show you what I discovered. You need 3 pieces of equipment. You need 2 molly sticks and a tie wrap. But you take your molly sticks, slip under the webbing and over the webbing. Again, another one under the webbing, over the webbing, and the widest loops. Take your tie wrap, put it under the molly sticks, and shove the tip of the molly stick under the last webbing. Lock your molly sticks into place, adjust your tie wrap. That's the first step. Now take your remote controller, slide it from the top, underneath in the tie wrap, lock it down there, and this is not going anywhere. It is safe and secure with 2 molly sticks and a tie wrap. That's all it takes. But I mean, I think this bag was designed for drone pilots. So if you have a Mosko Moto NoMax tank bag, get yourself a couple of molly sticks, get yourself a tie wrap, and you're set. That's how easy it is. Now, let's take the drone up and fly it and see what it looks like. Well, now you've seen it. If you're a drone pilot with a DJI drone and you have a DJI remote control and you have the great Mosko Moto NoMax tank bag, now you know how you can strap down that controller and be safe. It's very simple. 2 molly sticks and a tie wrap and you're good. Hey, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, sure appreciate it. Have a great day and ride safe.